Keep it juicy, juicy. I eat that lunch. She keep that booty, booty. She keep that plump. That natural beauty, beauty. Yeah, yeah. If you could see it from the front, till you see it from the back, back.
What's up, you guys? Welcome to my channel and welcome to a new vlog. So as you can see by the title, we're doing a few things. So right now I'm on my way to get my nails done. My nails look trash. So yeah, I'm gonna let you guys see what I'm doing all day today. I hope you guys like this video. Make sure to subscribe. I make content videos on fashion, beauty, lifestyle, and let's go ahead and get this day started.
Smoky, hit a couple spots where they know me. I can get smoky, hit a couple spots where they know me.
What's up, you guys? So I am back, girl. Oh my gosh, I've been so sleepy. Like literally I drank 2 cups of wine when I was getting my nails done. Like I didn't even ask for it. They just were like, wine, and then I got done with wine, and then he was like, more wine, and I was like, sure. Of course. But yeah, I was so freaking sleepy. So after I got my nails done, I was supposed to take some pictures. I didn't end up taking pictures. So yeah, I came home and I went to sleep. So as you can see, I just went grocery shopping, and I want to give you guys a little refrigerator tour, and I'm gonna give you a pantry tour also. I got a whole bunch of stuff. Me and my boyfriend just kind of went crazy because honestly it's too cold to be going back and forth all the time, and we try not to eat out as much. So yeah, I'm about to give you a little refrigerator tour. Make sure to give me a thumbs up if you like these types of videos, and if you haven't subscribed now, what are you doing, girl or guy? I don't know what you're doing, but you need to subscribe, okay? I did change, and if you see any stains on my shirt, please don't even look at it. But y'all not even gonna see me because I'm about to turn the camera. But yeah. So yeah, today's been pretty chill. Super chill. Just went grocery shopping, went to Kroger. And yeah, so yeah, let's go ahead and get straight to the refrigerator. So this is my refrigerator right here. Of course, I got a little ice maker, and we're gonna go ahead and start with the fridge. This is a full overview of how it's looking. So we're gonna start at the top. Right here I have my eggs. I did buy this little egg holder, super cute. I have my Sprite. I don't really drink too much Sprite, but it's for guests. Back there I have leftovers. I made tuna last night, and I actually have some collard greens that I made like 2 days ago. So yeah, that's just my leftovers. And then I have my grapes right here. I have more eggs. I literally eat eggs like every morning, so that's why I have so many. And then my boyfriend really likes juice, so we just keep hecka juice in the house. And then I have regular lemonades, Minute Maids, orange juice. I like orange juice, more orange juice in the back. And then we have our milks right here. In this drawer we just keep like our meats. I have some chicken tenderloins. I like to make tacos, chicken tacos all the time. I also have some turkey meat, some more meat, honey ham meat. I also have some bacon, some more meat, some chicken salad. And then on this side, we have our sausages, cheese right here also. I don't know why it's in there. In this drawer I have more of my like shredded cheese. This is just some broccoli. But yeah, these are all my shredded cheeses. I just need macaroni, so that's why I have so much cheese. I usually never have this much. But I just got a lot right now. And lettuce, of course. I'm gonna put this cheese right here. On the bottom, I just have some apples, an onion, and a lemon. Pretty much it for this side of the fridge. On this side of the fridge, on top I have sour cream, lime juice, and some garlic. This side I have some butter, jelly, some Alfredo, croissants, Parmesan, Chipotle. Oh my gosh, I love Chipotle sauce. I always make tacos, so this is just a necessity. And then right here I have some mild sauce. On this row, I have ketchup, more Parmesan, and then I have like my dressings. This is herb and garlic dressing. Caesar, of course. Olive oil dressing. Mayonnaise, ranch, some butter spray, mustard, ketchup. I have a lot of mustard. Like, I don't know what's going on, but I got like 4 mustards and I threw one away today while putting everything up. So down here I have my Cool Whip, just in case like I would eat strawberries. I do like to have Cool Whip on it, or if I make banana pudding or whatever, I just have extra Cool Whip. I have extra butter right here. I have apple juice right here. I love this apple juice. It is the Martinelli's apple juice. Super, super good. These are like $1 at Kroger. I love it. And then down here, I just have my French onion dip, some chicken that is thawing out right now, some more Capri Suns, and more Sprites. So that completes my refrigerator. And we're gonna go ahead and go to the freezer. So the freezer is like extremely packed. I'm not gonna just take everything out. I'm gonna just kind of point to stuff. I have so much garlic bread. I literally love garlic bread. It makes no sense how much I love it. We got some toaster strudels. We got 2 packs of salmon right here. We have pizzas. And then this is my favorite pasta to get. I don't know if you guys can see it, but that's my favorite brand if I'm getting like frozen pasta. Down here we have mozzarella sticks. That's like my favorite snack. We have some whole wings right here. We got ground beef, and we also have turkey meat right there. We also have more bacon just in the freezer. We got more sausage, and I got some cookies right here. Down here we have more chicken, like chicken tenderloins, chicken breast, fries, and some fish. This is actually whiting fish. I like whiting also. On this side, on this side we have corn, and we got 2 packs of shrimp and more broccoli right here. And that really completes the refrigerator. Oh, and those are waffles. It's not all bread, it's waffles up there too. So we're gonna go ahead and open up this pantry, and I'm gonna start from the top and I'm gonna go all the way down. So up top I have my toilet paper and my paper towels and a few extra bags. I don't like to keep too many bags, but I like to, you know, have at least 1 or 2. On this row we have our cereals. We got Honey Nut Cheerios, and we also have Cinnamon Toast Crunch. And then these are my favorite cookies. Oh my gosh, these are so freaking good. Oh my goodness. I have 2 packs. Like, that's how much I like them. And then we just have this big box of chips right here. I love just having a variety of chips. My favorite is the sour cream, of course, cheddar popcorn, the pretzels, and Cheetos. I'm not too much of a fan of Doritos, but it's cool. And then this is just extra stuff that we had. We just threw the boxes away because it just wasn't no need to have it. We have extra Ritz crackers and some chewy granola bars and extra cereal. On this row we have more snacks. I have Cheez-Its. I love Cheez-Its. I have the regular. On this side we have Cheez-Its. I love Cheez-Its. We have the regular Cheez-Its and also the cheddar Cheez-Its. We also have hamburger buns right here. 2 packs of muffins. We have more juice. Like I said, my boyfriend really likes juice, so we got a lot of that. I drink a lot of water, so that's all for him. And then we have some chips right here, sour cream, and I love salt and vinegar chips. Comment down below if you guys like salt and vinegar chips, because everybody laughs at me for liking them, but they're so good to me. And then we have our bread right here. Just got 1.5 packs or whatever. And then I have some popcorn right here. So that completes the top shelf of our pantry. That is just an overview of how it looks. And then down here is the second part of our pantry. That's just how it looks. On this row, I have my, I just have like nuts. I love these nuts right here. They're so good. I can eat them by themselves. It's vanilla almond clusters. So good. I like to put those in my smoothies. And then I have the honey almond nuts. Really, really good. Back there, I have just random rices. I don't really like them too much, but I don't throw them away. I just keep them. And then, if you know what this is, I'm not going to tell you guys what it is, but I cook with this. And if you guys know what it is, let me know. I want to know. And then I have my coconut oil right here. And of course, like I said, I eat a lot of tacos, so girl, we keep soft shells on deck. And we also have hard shells, because we eat tacos over here. And then I got some peanut butter and some tea. some tea bags whenever I make my sweet tea. So on this row, I keep all breakfast food. As you can see, I have oils on this side, my frying oil and also my olive oil. I also have my syrups right here, my honey for my tea. I like to keep my tea bags in here, like all my herbal teas I keep in here, and my green teas. We got some grits, flour, mashed potatoes, and some waffle mix right there. I don't know why the mashed potatoes are in here, but whatever. And then more flour and some oatmeal. On this row is pretty much like rice, sugar, flour, more flour. And then I have my vinegar back there and some of my pastas and gravy. That pretty much sums this row up. And on the bottom, I just keep like more vinegar, my Tupperware, and my you know, when I make tea, I always put it in these jars in like a little cup. So yeah, that is really all of my pantry and how I organize it. Some things are kind of unorganized, but I'm gonna go ahead and fix that. Like my flour, it should be down here, but it's whatever. So yeah, that just wraps up my refrigerator tour and my pantry tour. I hope you guys liked it. Make sure to give me a big thumbs up. And we're gonna keep going with this video. What's up, you guys? Right now I am getting ready to take some pictures. I need to take some pictures for my Instagram. So we on a rooftop. Sorry for the light, but yeah, I'm about to take some pictures out here, find a cute little location, and yeah, you guys can just watch me take some pics.
Don't know if you got a girl. Don't mean to disrespect, but all of you rule my world. I even dream of you, I swear. Visions of you and I. See you all around my way. Been meaning to say hi, but I'm just way too shy. I gotta make you see this is more than just a city rush. And I wonder if you even notice me. You gotta feel me.
So I believe I got my picture, girl. I hope I did, because what the fuck, I just took like a zillion pictures, but that's just what it takes. This is my outfit for the day. The top, I got it from, I want to say Misguided. The coat from Misguided. The jeans are H&M. Purse LV, and the shoes are Yeezy. You know the vibes. So yeah, right now I need to go to the store, so come with me. It ain't over. Today has been a successful day. Shout out to my sister for being my photographer. And make sure you're following me on Instagram to see all the looks that I take. I'll definitely have it in the description bar. Get into this. There goes sister over there. The behind the scenes, honey. Yeah, I did my eyebrows today. We get into them. I darkened them up. So they be kind of going through a little, they be looking a little squished. Oh my gosh, it's almost there. Just got back from Target, so I'm just gonna show you what I got. And also I got some new things for my bathroom. I'm actually redecorating my whole bathroom, so stay tuned because I'm gonna show you guys the before and after and all that jazz. I'm super excited. So yeah, let's see what I got. So first, I got these reusable cups. I have been loving these cups. I already have 3 of them, but the lettering kind of came off, so I just got some more. It comes with 3 cups with 3 lids. Super cute. I just like having different cute cups. I also got some dryer sheets. I also got some shampoo. I'm just trying the shampoo out. It has eucalyptus. I love eucalyptus. So yeah, I'm trying this out. I got some more toothpaste and I got some witch hazel, and that's pretty much it. So for my bathroom, I have to switch it all up. So I ended up getting some jars, and I'll show you guys what I put in them. I got 2 of the same ones. And then I got some new rags. I just always like to switch and get new rags, so yeah. And this is the color that we're going for. I hope the color really picks up. But yeah, I got this color. It looks a little bit more blue in person versus the camera. I got 2 new towels. And some rugs. So I'm gonna show you guys the before and after. Oh, and I also got some new soap holders. Yeah, soap, and I guess I'll put lotion in this, cause yeah. And then I got a toothpaste holder, and of course I got my Frappuccino. You guys, I really don't like coffee. I'm so fake. Like, coffee is so gross. Coffee is so gross to me, but I'm like trying to force it. I'm not gonna say it's so gross because it's a Frappuccino and it has like whipped cream, and then I asked for salted this time because I try coffee at least once a year just to see if my taste buds change, and they never do. I remember like when I was younger and I would go down the coffee aisle and I couldn't even bear to smell it. Like, I don't know what's wrong with me. I can't get with it, but it's so cute. It's aesthetic. So yeah, let's go ahead and get to cleaning my bathroom because I'm gonna clean it first before I put all the new stuff in there. So this is how my bathroom looks right now. Oh my gosh, I'm so pissed that I forgot to get light bulbs. Ugh, so it's kind of dim in here. I'm so sorry. But as you can see right now, I have black rugs. I got these rugs off Amazon. And then I have like a black and gold theme going on. I got some soap in here. And then I have these things right here for my cotton pads and Q-tips. And then in this corner, I do have a little greenery. So I'm about to switch all of this up. I'm gonna sweep and I'm gonna mop. So yeah, let's get straight into it. Alright, so this is how my bathroom is looking. We got the cotton pads and the Q-tips. Also my soap dispenser. I'm also going to put lotion in here. And then we have the toothbrush holders. I'm not too sure if I want to keep all of this together. It seems just kind of tight. Of course I'm going to keep my paper towels in here, but I don't know if I want the plant in here anymore. This is how it would look without it, but I just feel like we just need some greenery in here, so I would probably leave it. Plus it's already white, so it wouldn't like throw it off. So for the floor mats, as you guys seen before, I have my light blue rugs, one right there and one right here in front of the shower. And then I have my scale, of course, and then my towels. I just have it here for decoration, guys. I'm about to put them in the washer. You guys should always wash your towels and rags when you first get it, so that's what I'm about to do, but I just want to show you how it looks. I just kind of switched up my bathroom just a little bit. I'm really excited about having these acrylic, you know, these acrylic things, because now I can just switch it up whenever I want. The black was kind of restricted me to only you know, only having black things. So yeah, it looks really cute, and I love this tray that it comes on. It's super cute, makes it look very organized. And yeah, so yeah, that's my eucalyptus bathroom spray. It smells so good. Definitely I'm gonna go to Home Goods or TJ Maxx to try to find like a little holder. I want that to be acrylic also, or I'm gonna look on Amazon, one of the two. So yeah, this is how she is looking. Looks really, really cute. I'm satisfied with the colors. It kind of brightens it up some. I'm definitely a fan. So yeah,